Bonjour et bienvenue encore une fois sur ma chaîne YouTube. Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Learn French with Megha. Some of the first and most common conversations you will have in French will require to introduce yourself. This is a useful skill for traveling, taking classes in French, making French friends, or most importantly, for an interview when they ask you to introduce yourself in French. But never fear, with some common sentences, you will be a master at introducing yourself in French. These simple 10 phrases will boost your French speaking skills and give you confidence in your early French conversations. And after watching this video, I bet you will be able to introduce yourself in French fluently and more confidently. Before starting a lesson, I request you to please like, subscribe and share my video. When we meet someone and start our conversation or we introduce ourselves, we say hello. So, how to say hello? Hello is bonjour. We say bonjour when we are in formal relation or talking to a person older than us. We can also say salut for saying hello when we are talking to a person younger than us or having same age group. After saying hello, can you tell me what we should say to introduce ourselves? Yes, we will tell our name. Or the other person can ask you your name. He or she will say, Comment vous appelez-vous? Which means, what is your name? Je m'appelle Megha. Je m'appelle Megha. After telling your name, you will say, Enchanté. Enchanté, which means, nice to meet you. If we are meeting to a person who is masculine, spelling of the enchanté will be without e, and if you are meeting to a person who is feminine, spelling of the enchanté will be with e. In English, generally we say nice to meet you when you are going to apart from that person. But in French, we say enchanté, which means nice to meet you in the starting of the conversation. Next thing you will say after telling your name is your age. So how to tell your age? Or the other person can question you, quel est votre âge? Which means what is your age? And you will answer, j'ai 25 ans. J'ai 25 ans, which means I am 25 years old. You can use any number, whatever age you have. For example, j'ai 30 ans, j'ai 15 ans. Whatever age you have, you can add in this sentence instead of 25. And if you don't know numbers and you want to learn numbers in French, you can go through my video and can get the link below in the description. Next thing which you will say about yourself is, where do you live? And the question can be, où habitez-vous? Which means, where do you live? So how to tell where do you live? J'habite a Delhi. J'habite a Delhi means I live in Delhi. If you live somewhere else, you can say your place instead of Delhi. For example, J'habite a Mumbai, J'habite a Jaipur, J'habite a Paris. Now let's move to the next sentence, which can be telling about your nationality. And the question can be, quelle est votre nationalité? So how to tell your nationality? Je suis Indien. Je suis Indien. If you are masculine, you will say je suis Indien, and if you are feminine, you will say je suis Indian. Je suis Indian. Or if you have any other nationality, you can say je suis français or française, je suis italien or Italian, je suis japonais or japonaise. Next sentence to introduce yourself can be your profession. Question could be, quel est votre métier? Which means, what is your profession? So how to tell your profession? Je suis professeur. Je suis professeur. I am a teacher. If you are a housewife, you can say Je suis femme au foyer. Je suis femme au foyer, which means I am a housewife. Or if you are a businessman, you can say Je suis homme d'affaires. Je suis homme d'affaires, which means I am a businessman. If you are working in some enterprise, you can say Je travaille dans une entreprise. Je travaille dans une entreprise, which means I work in a company. Or if you are a student, you can say Je suis étudiant. If you are a masculine, you will say Je suis étudiant. And if you are a feminine, you will add E and you will say Je suis étudiante. Je suis étudiante. I am a student. Next thing which you can tell about yourself is about your marital status. So the question could be, quelle est votre situation familiale? Which means, what is your marital status? So how to tell your marital status? You will say, je suis marié. Je suis marié. If you are a masculine, you will not add E in the spelling and you will say only je suis marié. And if you are feminine, you will add E in the spelling of marié, but the pronunciation for both the masculine and feminine will remain same. Je suis marié, which means I am married. And if you are unmarried, you will say je suis célibataire. Je suis célibataire, which means I am unmarried. Spelling of célibataire will remain same for masculine and feminine. Next sentence which you can say about yourself is the languages you speak. So question can be combien de langues parlez-vous, which means how many languages you speak. This is also very interesting for the other person to know that you can speak many languages. So how to tell languages you speak? Je parle anglais, Hindi, français. Je parle anglais, Hindi, français, which means I speak English, Hindi, French. Or if you know other languages, you can say, for example, je parle chinois, je parle espagnol, je parle japonais. Next sentence which you can tell about yourself is about your hobbies. Quels sont vos loisirs? Which means what are your hobbies? So how to tell about your hobbies? You will say j'aime écouter de la musique. If you have a hobby of listening music, you can say j'aime écouter de la musique. Or if you like cooking, you can say j'aime cuisiner. J'aime cuisiner. Or if you like watching television, you can say j'aime regarder la télévision. J'aime regarder la télévision. And there is one more way of telling your hobby is un de mes passe-temps est la lecture. Un de mes passe-temps est la lecture. One of my hobbies is reading. And at the end, you will say goodbye. So how to say goodbye in French? Au revoir, à bientôt, which means goodbye, see you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt, which means goodbye, see you soon. At the end, I would like to practice all the sentences together. You can repeat each sentence after me. Bonjour, je m'appelle, your name, enchanté, j'ai 25 ans, j'habite à Delhi, je suis indien, je suis professeur, je suis marié ou célibataire, je parle anglais, hindi, français, j'aime écouter de la musique. Au revoir, à bientôt. Thanks a lot for watching my video. If you like my video, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share and press the notification icon to be updated of my new videos. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir. A bientôt.